Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo F15 versus the Oppo F11 Pro, and both phones comes with the same MediaTek Helio P70 chipset with a 6GB of RAM on the Oppo F11 Pro versus a 8GB of RAM on the Oppo F15. And Oppo F15 comes with a quad cameras on the back, as you can see, while the Oppo F11 Pro give you a dual cameras on the back, as you can see. So I am super excited to see how much a difference between a new Oppo F15 and a old Oppo F11 Pro. I don't know why Oppo used the same chipset as the Oppo F11 Pro after 1 year. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first, about the same on both phones, and both phones is running on Android 9 Pie. And you can see Oppo F15, it is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Oppo F11 Pro, now it is also done. About 1 or 2 second difference here between these two devices. And as you can see that both phones give you a full HD display, but we have a AMOLED display on the Oppo F15 compared to a IPS LCD display on the Oppo F11 Pro. While the Oppo F11 Pro give you a full screen display, we don't get any notch or any hole on the Oppo F11 Pro, because Oppo F11 Pro comes with a pop-up selfie camera, and you can see it is a really unique feature on the Oppo F11 Pro. And the Oppo F15 give you a water top notch, as you can see, but we get a much better display technology on the Oppo F15. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Phone dialer that is little bit faster on the old Oppo F11 Pro. Settings again little bit faster on the Oppo F11 Pro. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. The mic lock about the same on both phones. Now let's see the calendar, and again about the same on both phones, no difference there. The Amazon shopping, and I have to say about the same on both phones, maybe a little bit faster on the Oppo F11 Pro. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. Now let's see the scrolling, and it feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. The Candy Crush Saga, some games application, both phones comes with the same MediaTek Helio P70, and you can see Oppo F11 Pro, it is faster there, while the Oppo F15 now it is also done. About 1 or 2 second difference there. Instagram, and about the same on both phones. The Snapchat, little bit faster on the Oppo F15. Spotify, and again about the same on both phones, no difference there. Subway Surfer, and you can see Oppo F11 Pro, it is, and you can see this time Oppo F15 it is faster there, followed by the Oppo F11 Pro. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2. And you can see Oppo F15 it is faster there, while the Oppo F11 Pro it is still take a lot of time. And you can see Oppo F15 it is done, followed by the Oppo F11 Pro, and you can see Twitter, faster on the Oppo F15 just a tiny bit. The Zedge, and you can see Oppo F11 Pro it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Oppo F15. And guys, last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, and faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, followed by the Oppo F15. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Google Chrome on both phones, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Wikipedia.org, and let's see who is faster there in the internet browsing speed. And you can see Oppo F15 it is faster there, followed by the Oppo F11 Pro, and the scrolling feels very smooth on both phones. In the start I noticed some lags, but after some time both phones perform really smooth. Next on the list is the gsmarina.com, and you can see that, let's see who is faster, and you can see about the same on both phones, and you can see no difference there in the GSM Marina website, and the scrolling feels very smooth on both phones. So now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and we have a 6GB of RAM on the Oppo F11 Pro versus a 8 on the new Oppo F15. So very interesting to see who is perform better in the RAM management. Phone dialer, settings, refresh on both phones, mic lock. Let's see the calendar. That is refresh only on the Oppo F15. Amazon shopping, again same result. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga and refresh, again same result. Instagram, refresh. Let's see Snapchat, in case see Spotify, refresh. Subway Surfer, in case that is refresh on both phones. Let's see the Temple Run 2. Let's see the Twitter, Zedge, refresh on the F11 Pro, and we are back to the internet browser. And guys, overall I have to say that the apps opening speed, it is definitely just a tiny bit faster on the Oppo F11 Pro system based application as well as in game uploading time, but both phones comes with the same chipset. RAM management, it is little bit better on the new Oppo F15, but I have to say that we need some more optimization on both these two devices regarding the RAM management. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo F11 Pro versus the Oppo F15. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.